Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Numbers Protocol.io. What is it? Why the benefits? Why is it so important for you to know about this, right? This is where blockchain takes an entire industry by storm. And I think what the team at Numbers Protocol have done is nothing short of incredible. And I believe that there is a long future for this. So I'm going to tell you about why you should look into this. What are the key dates for you to look into? There's some time sensitive information as well, which happens in a couple of hours time. And then if you miss that, there's November 18. But let's dive into it, right? Giving you the full picture. Decentralized photo network for creating community, value, trust in the digital media. Now we know that photography, videography is big business. And in the world of social media, for small businesses, big businesses, everybody, media is massive. And copyright is huge for content creators, right? To have and own their own IP, the original IP. So Numbers Protocol was born. Now, they've been featured on Entrepreneur, VentureBeat, CoinDesk, Forecast, Forbes, you name it, because they do solve a problem. Now remember that on the Serpent channel, we don't talk about anything unless it really, genuinely solves a genuine problem. Now, 2.5 million unlicensed images are stolen every day, with a damage total of $600 billion daily. No control. You don't decide what you see. The centralized platform decided for you. No copyright. Everyone can take your content and repost. No trust. The lack of traceability and very verifiability, that was a good one, makes it a challenge to believe the content you see. This is big stuff. We're not talking about little stuff. It is time for a change. So Numbers is the new decentralized photo network. So everything we see, hear, think, and do is manipulated, edited, cropped, and censored. And that is about to change with the utilization of Numbers Protocol. So when you are doing your research, just look at how big this space is. $600 billion a day of content is stolen due to copyright. I mean, that is massive. They're building the decentralized photo network for Web 3.0. Images, videos are traceable, trustworthy, and one of a kind in Numbers network. So you got Web 2.0. Now you got Web 3.0 coming. Ownership, content provenance, creation certificate, and photo history. This is the future. Web 2.0, big problem. Web 3.0, revolutionary. And that is very exciting. Now, when you start to do your research, jump on Twitter, hit the alarm bell, hit the follow sign, because you got to stay up to date. Because what they're up to and how quickly this is all going to move, this is going to move very fast. Now, there are going to be launching on top exchanges on November 18, but I'm going to show you how you can get in before November 18 as well, should you want to. And as always, right, you got to do your own research. You got to understand what's in it for you. And you got to make sure that it fits, your vision and mission for your own numbers, right? For the goals that you're looking to achieve. What are the tools? You got the Capture app, the InTrace to Web 3.0, the Asset Wallet to easily view and own your capture assets, your blockchain camera, take photos with the space-time tracking your photos and tell stories, your one-of-a-kind status, every photo is taken by the capture is unique, and the network ecosystem, access network application to store, exchange, or publish assets, and NFT, one click to turn capture assets to NFT. That alone is absolutely massive moving forward. And I say moving forward because this isn't one of those where you get in, it explodes, you get out. I believe Numbers Protocol is here. It has a future here. And if you look at how an app like Instagram grew. You know, it goes slow, 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 and then exponential, and then it becomes a phenomenon. So be patient when doing your research about Numbers Protocol. If you do decide to get in with a long-term mindset, because that is the approach that I'm going to be taking. Now, it's not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but that should be the approach that you take when it comes to something like this. Now, the investors, right? Protocol Labs, Binance. Binance is on this, right? Binance are investors. Partners, Thundercore, Textile, Exodus, HTC. These are big names. Big names. And also, if you want to learn more about Web 3.0 and how they're doing, they've got a great blog section as well. Now, on November 18 at 13 UTC time, they will be launching. It will be available for trading on Gate.io, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and other top 10 exchanges on November 18. But I'm going to show you as well how you can get in a little bit earlier. Now, the team itself, when you are researching, look who these people are and what they've been up to and their credentials. This is a very strong team that have been put together, and these are very good at what they do and how they do it. So just be mindful in your research when you do look up these three gentlemen. I love the fact that the LinkedIn profile is there, so it just makes it easier for you to find them. But that is a very good team put together. Now, it wouldn't be a Serpent video if I didn't tell you that the next 12 pages are critical for you to read. It amazes me. It shocks me that there are people out there that invest in cryptocurrency projects, put their own hard-earned money, but will not read the 12 pages. Read the 12 pages. It's very important. How the asset owner, how the asset retrieved, how it all works, how it all ties up, what are the tokenomics, what is the long-term vision. Get it inside your brain so that you understand exactly what it is that you're in for. Now, if you don't want to wait for November 18, at the moment, for a few hours, or at the time of making this 7 hours and 22 minutes, but I'm sure that by the time this video goes live, it'll be even less. You can go on DOW Maker and you can register with DOW Maker and you can, get in on this particular project. Now, how to do that. DOW Maker have a phenomenal website. There's tons of support, how you connect your wallet, how you buy DAO, how you can then go in and research and participate in this particular project. Like I said, I'm not sure when you yourself are going to be seeing this, but if you miss it through the DAO Maker's platform, then you can wait for November 18 and jump in on the exchanges. Now, read up about DAO Maker, what they've done, how they've done it in the past, all the stuff that is involved. And you will find that as an organization, they have an incredible way of releasing projects out there into the marketplace. Like, I've been using DAO Maker for a while now, and for me, I've always found them, like every project that I've looked in here and it fits me as an investor, it's been phenomenal, to participate in these. I do ask you though to do your research on exactly all the details and how by being involved with DAO Maker, how your coins get released and all that. Just make sure that you do your homework as always. But the product roadmap is really solid for Numbers Protocol. The revenue streams are going to come from the Capture app, from the NFT search engine, from the Capture Club, the NFT marketplace. For me, this makes sense. It just makes sense. And I think this is the time to get something like this rolled out into the world, because we are searching for answers for this problem that we have, copywriting. It's a real problem. So for me, what's really important is, like I said, do your research, understand who's involved, understand the token economy, how it's all going to work together, how many tokens there are, how it's all going to go through, how the token distribution is happening. But for myself personally, because I'm involved in the digital marketing industry, so I understand this already. But this is a big problem that Numbers Protocol solves. The release schedule as well. So how the release schedule of the token is going to go as well, from the private sale to the seed show and everything. Like I said, do your homework when it comes to this stuff. If you're going through DOW Maker, which that's all, like, how I find projects like this. And what I love about them is, that they are a venture capitalist firm, and so they go to get a project on DOW Maker. Like, a project has to go through an extreme test, and so if Numbers Protocol have made it, it gives me confidence to come to you and bring it to you guys. But I'll be participating personally. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'll be talking about this because I think that it does genuinely solve a problem. Read the 12 pages, and you might just agree with me. Failure to miss the DOW Maker, then of course you can jump on these exchanges on November 18. But how exciting! If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.